2022 Jeep Renegade for sale. Curb weight. The small SUV market is growing. However, we're talking very little specifically with sub-agreement. Jeep holds a special place in the hierarchy, as its history in the segment dates back decades, long before the term sports car was used. It is possible that there will be a new Jeep coming in 2022 that will fill those super tiny shoes, and here's our exclusive opinion apparently. You might be amazed at how little it resembles Jeep's current, rebellious little show. This model will be placed under the Renegade, but it will not share a similar design architecture in our opinion. That's because things have changed at parent company Jeep FCA in recent months, particularly with regard to the FCA-PSA merger. Jeeps can now access small platforms from Peugeot and Opel, not to mention Fiat. This is important because it is very likely that the new Jeep will only be shown in the European and Asian markets. By giving it a face that resembles larger Jeep models like the Cherokee, this SUV distinguishes itself in a segment often referred to as cute utes. In this case, design inspiration also came from the Jeep Yunta concept car that was unveiled at the Shanghai Auto Show in 2017. This is also important, as rumors suggest the new compact Jeep could provide some form of electricity. The plug-in hybrid powertrain can be a combination, but also a full EV variant. The Yunta is being offered as a plug-in hybrid, so there's no doubt that there is some consistency in the rebuilding of the SUV designed as a large three-row sedan into a very efficient small offering. Rumor has it that the new Jeep will arrive sometime in 2022. Will buyers improve our designs, or will something closer to the 2022 Jeep Renegade be more desirable? Share your thoughts with us below. 2022 Jeep Renegade Report. The Jeep Renegade was introduced in early 2014 and will undergo a complete model changeover in 2022. If it switches to the second generation early in the next decade, it will retain its current platform, according to a report by Brazilian website Autos Segredos. The 2022 Jeep Renegade operates on the small wide platform, which debuted on the Fiat 500L in 2013 and forms the basis of the Fiat 500X. The platform will be upgraded so that the models it supports in the future meet the most stringent safety standards and regulations of the latest powertrain technology. The Brazilian publication says the source has seen first design studies for the next generation 2022 Jeep Renegade, and one says future models with more attractive lines will surprise those who think the current model is handsome. The development of futuristic models is in the hands of Brazilian, American, Italian, and Asian engineers. In Europe, a new 3.0-liter turbocharged three-cylinder petrol engine generates 120 HP and 190 Nm of torque, and a new 1.3-liter four-cylinder petrol engine with 150 HP/180 HP and 270 Nm of torque. It was introduced with a mid-cycle update on first-generation models and will continue through the next generation. Don't expect an option for a diesel engine, as Jeep is switching to electric powertrains. FCA will offer the next generation of the 2022 Jeep Renegade with an integrated hybrid powertrain and a purely electric powertrain. Even the current model will get an additional hybrid engine in early 2020. Returning to the second generation model, the company will introduce Tier 3 autonomous driving technology and connected car technology, as well as future control steps. FCA is testing the first generation Jeep Renegade in India, but there are no plans to market this vehicle. SUVs under 4 meters in height and a 3-line midsize SUV are priorities, with 2022 as the deadline for their launch. 2022 Jeep Renegade design. Judging from our exclusive photos, the upcoming compact SUV will be around 4 meters long, making it slightly longer than the Suzuki Jimny, but a few millimeters shorter than the recently launched Juke. This preserves the hallmarks of the steel pocket style and the proportions of the box. Given Jeep's recent pursuit of electricity, starting with the launch of hybrid versions of the Renegade and Compass, the brand's new compact crossover is almost certain to have some form of battery power. When asked about the possibility of electric propulsion, Baigusa said, "We have the ability to provide the electricity we need." This is a strong indication that the car will almost certainly adopt the Common Modular Platform System, CMP, architecture used on the 2008 Peugeot and the DS3 Crossback, among other things. The platform is not only suitable for both petrol and diesel engines, but can also be fully electrically powered with a range of up to 340 km on a single charge. Jeep's short-range electrification strategy has been reinforced by the recent launch of the Renegade and Compass Hybrid, both equipped with a 1.3-liter four-cylinder petrol engine, an integrated lithium-ion battery pack, and an electric hub for the rear axle. Engine. The system produces 187 horsepower and 237 Nm of torque and gives both models the most fully electric range of about 50 km. 2022 Jeep Renegade price and release date. We previously reported that the US automaker Jeep is developing two new SUVs, the 7-seater Grand Compass and an SUV under 4 meters, all of which are new to the Indian market. The company is also preparing a facelift version of the Compass SUV, which is expected to be launched in our market in early 2021. Jeep has also begun work on the second generation of the 2022 Jeep Renegade SUV, which is said to be launched in 2022. The second generation of the Jeep Renegade will be based on the existing compact, wide 4x4 platform. The platform will also support the upcoming Grand Compass, but Jeep will have reinforcements on that platform. The updated platform is expected to be more robust than the current one, which will improve the performance and off-road capabilities of the upcoming Renegade. The current generation Renegade was recently tested in India. We think this could be a test ground for a new machine or a different product. Upcoming SUVs under 4 meters will adopt the Fiat Panda 4x4 platforms, however, this new model will share the designs with the Renegade. This compact SUV will compete with the Ford EcoSport and Mahindra XUV300. Previous media reports indicated that Jeep will launch the second generation of Renegade in India. This model will be offered as a slightly more expensive alternative to the Hyundai Creta and Kia Altos. The next generation 2022 Jeep Renegade is said to make global debut in late 2021, however, the debut may be delayed until 2022 due to the coronavirus pandemic. The second-generation Jeep Renegade can use the 2.0L Compass diesel engine for the Indian market. The company could also offer a 1.6-liter MJD diesel engine with an SUV. The petrol version will feature a recently introduced 1.3-liter turbo petrol engine with the European Compass. Those planning to use the Renegade to tackle rough terrain will want the Trailhawk at its best. However, this model starts at just over $30,000, and despite refined off-road equipment, it doesn't feel as good as other small crossovers. Instead, we picked the Latitude. It comes with many desirable standard features, including 17-inch wheels, a dual-zone climate control system and upgraded interior materials. Those who want 4WD can add it for $1,500. We also upgrade the Renegade with the Sun and Sound package, Kenwood audio system, panoramic sunroof, and the Comfort package, heated front seat, power driver seat, 115V output.